Alright, what's up guys, kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. Actually, I wanted to start my vlog from outside, but if I take this camera and go outside, it's gonna fog up like properly. Wanna see it? See the kind of humidity we have here. 3, 2, 1. I can see it fogging up. Oh yes. It's better we go inside. Okay, so Charan, what is the plan today? We're planning to go to South Goa. There is a place called, what is that place? Butterfly Beach. Butterfly Beach. There is one place you people have been recommending me to go since last 2-3 years whenever I come here. So finally today that is happening. Thing is, we have already booked our lunch and all that here in this hotel. We paid, no? So we don't want to miss that, but then today we have to give that a miss. So we're planning to take some food and go. I'm taking my oats as usual. Charan has his ready to eat stuff. Sambar rice. Oh, I also want some hot water. Actually, as per plan, today we had to leave. We had to go to Hyderabad. No, we thought we'll actually go to Coorg from here or Mahabaleshwar. But then budget is going up like crazy. So we thought we'll check that plan for now. Maybe next time from Hyderabad, we'll plan a ride with the group to Mahabaleshwar. For now, we extended one more day here. Actually, we had to leave today. Tomorrow we're going to leave now. And tomorrow we're directly riding to Hyderabad. So we have one day to explore here. That is today. We'll plan that Butterfly Beach. Alright, I'll see you on the bike directly now. Let me pack my food. Oats, peanut butter, whey protein. Where's my tiffin box? Tiffin box, yeah. And really this view doesn't get old at all. As soon as you get up, you get to see this view. Charan, we're gonna miss all this from tomorrow. Yes, from tomorrow. No, tomorrow we'll see it. Day after tomorrow, say, this view will not be there. But I'm not worried because we'll again do Goa someday.
But I don't know, we'll get this view.
Yeah,
this
we
price.
might not be coming to this hotel again. We might not be getting this price. Obviously, this is like 50% off. More than 50% off actually. Alright, good to go. My tiffin box is ready. But Charan, we're gonna miss our Taj lunch.
I'm not speaking to you, forget it. Bye. I should talk to your father, Naisha.
Hi, Naishu.
You both are ditchers, I hate you both. When I told you last time, you made a big bahana. Abhi you're going to Butterfly Beach.
Definitely next time you, me and Naisha will come to Goa, okay? Okay, so today we are not wearing gear and going. Otherwise, it's nice and sunny outside, which is good for a ride and all that, but then we're gonna get really tanned. Problem with this sunscreen is that any sunscreen, it becomes watery after some time, especially when you sweat now. It's horrible. That is the reason I don't put sunscreen to my face. It becomes jidu.
Oh no.
Chipko. I have a lot of tan. See this.
Imagine that.
Ice cream cone. I just had a call with my wife and she is like going mad looking at this place. This was like her favorite place. She wanted to always come to Taj Aguada. But next time I'll definitely get Naisha, my wife. Pooja, I'll definitely get you. Don't worry about it, okay? Don't keep cursing me. Every time I call her, she's like, you're enjoying, not taking me. And one more small issue we have. Charan is not able to find his call. Oh, wait, that's what you're searching. I was about to say that. अच्छा okay. Yeah, Charan is not able to find his key and this guy told me just now that the key is to the bike. Oh shit. Luckily he switched it off, but
Yeah.
all good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
आप बंद किया या?
नहीं पहले से बंद था, कोई हाथ लगा
Okay, good. नहीं, बंद करने से अच्छा है. अभी रूम में पूरा ढूंढ के आ रहे हम.
Have a good day, sir.
You too,
Thank
sir.
you too. Charan, start your bike fast once. I hope it starts. Why will it not start?
Yeah, it will
Luckily he
start.
switched it off. BMW, good. हमारा dark horse burning in the sun. इसको भी sunscreen लगाएंगे. One more pro traveler tip. You have to be very careful with your keys. This is your life, okay, when you travel, especially on a bike. Oh, it rained. Oh, actually last night was raining. Man, so hot. Proper sunny. which is what we want. Bike is showing 36 degrees. Very clear sky. Yeah, temperature has gone down to 31.5 now. Actually, when I started the bike, it was showing 36 degrees. That is wrong because bike was in the hot sun. It was showing that much. Now it's back to 31. I think realistically temperature is somewhere around 30. It will come down to 30. See, now it came down to 30.5. Today is the last day here in Goa. Tomorrow we're going to go back to Hyderabad. Actually, we had plans to go to Coorg or Mahabaleshwar, but that plan got cancelled because of budget problem. Already bahut ho gaya budget idhar Taj mein. But we had a very good experience, no doubts. Charan, cow. Charan is very he's got a phobia with cows and buffaloes on highways. Whenever he sees a buffalo on the road, he'll stop at the side immediately. And yeah, once again, see this. I mean, this place used to shine. It used to be so lit up all the time, full traffic jam and all that. Even in the mornings it was like that, but yeah, very sad to see it. But I think people are coming back now. Slowly it's gonna open up. Okay, how far is Butterfly Beach? You said 40 kilometers. Oh shit, 76 kilometers, 2 hours 15 minutes. I think we can do it because we have a bike. Maybe in 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's see. And because we are not wearing any gear, we are riding at very slow speeds, 40 kilometers an hour. That's it. Nothing more than this. We'll maintain this. Maybe a little bit more, but we have to be very cautious. No gear. Already we got used to gear so much that we feel weird when we ride without a gear. But without helmet, impossible. We can never ride without a helmet, at least me. But our group has one fellow. He doesn't wear helmet. He's got the best bike again. But he doesn't wear a helmet. He wears a helmet, but he tries not to wear. No pant, no shoes, chappal pehen ke, adventure tourer chala ke. Enta dhairyam. Straight. How many kilometers? 1 hour 4 minutes 36 kilometers. ETA is 1 PM. I thought we can race Google. It's not happening. I don't remember coming to this part of the city ever. Maybe I've come, but I am Gajini, so I don't remember. Charan is saying we came here, but somehow I'm I recollect this area. I recollect. Oh yes. Nice, na? This looks so French. The architecture here. Portugal. Beautiful. Somehow we never explored Goa like this. We always stay in Candolim, go to restaurants. That's it. Enjoy the resort. But when you have a bike in your hand, this is what you can do. Somehow car mein I don't like exploring things here. I get motion sickness, especially in ghats and all. I don't really enjoy the car much. We are getting nice Araku feels here. Oh, look at that. Nice. Clouds are touching the mountains. Beautiful view. And this is a shortcut maybe. Don't know, this was so random, right? That is one question now. I'm not sure if we can go and park the bikes near the beach. All these routes remind me of Munnar. This is called Leopard Valley. There is a left. Little bit of off-road. Telse, around an asal yapakkarle no. Are you sure we are going in the correct direction? Oh. I can see car tracks. So I think we are going in the right direction. Just now we read Leopard Valley. I just hope there's no leopard here. There are nice trails here. Yeah, that is the thing. We don't have gear, so we have to be very careful. Oh shit. Yo. చరణ్ ఒకసారి పక్క చేరు, నేను వెళ్తా ముందరికి, నాకు వ్యూ అడ్డం వస్తుంది. అడగాలి అండి, అడుగుదా. బటర్ఫ్లై బీచ్ అసలు ఇంటలేడాడు. What the fish, yeah? What is this? It's like proper tiger trails. This is getting worse. దగ్గరకు రా, బాగానే ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడరా వస్తలేవు అసలు, కొంచెం ఏడీవీలా నడుపురాదని. ఇక్కడ రైట్ ఉంది, లెఫ్ట్ ఉంది, ఎటు పోవాలి, స్ట్రైట్ పోవాలా? ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ నెవర్ కమ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ కోర్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు కాల్ దిస్ రోడ్. ప్రాపర్ ట్రైల్స్. దేర్ ఇస్ సమ్ హోండా యాక్టివా సామ్నే. I am pretty sure they are also lost. Everything is closed here. Are you looking for Butterfly Beach? Yeah. Same here. Yeah, maybe we should walk from here.
GPS में तो बता रहा है.
Yeah, I think we need to walk and go. Okay, we are walking from here. We are not sure whether to go from here or not. We're just following the GPS and maps, and look at that, it's blocked. This is impossible, yeah. There is no route from here. There is a route, but it's closed. Okay, I'm actually scared to go through this route, yeah. It said leopard. What is Leopard Valley? Look at this. We parked our bike almost like 300-400 meters away from here, and we have to go another, from the parking it says 1.7 kilometers for a walk, which means we need to walk for 20 minutes at least. That's a 20 minutes walk. If you're okay doing that, then you can do it. Trekking bhi ho gaya. This time Goa trip is very adventurous, right? After almost a trek of 2 kilometers, 1.8 kilometers to be precise, we finally reached the place. It took us 25 minutes of a proper walk. I actually had a plan to go for a cardio in the evening, but now I don't need it. Acha sa cardio ho gaya. Unfortunately, I don't have my watch. Charan, did you record anything? Workout? Oh shit, while going record. We'll see how many calories we burned. But is it worth it coming till here? 2.5 hours of a ride from the hotel from Candolin, a trek of almost half an hour. That's it. That is the shore. But yeah, you'll not find a beach like this. Usually all the beaches have a huge shore, a very long shore, but this one is, I think, 500 feet max. fortunately in this kind of a place I'm still getting signal. Internet भी आ रहा, GPS भी आ रहा. Okay, let me go सामने and wait. Actually, we could have taken the bikes a little bit inside, but we don't know the route, how to go, so it's not worth taking the risk with the bikes, especially with big bikes like these. But yeah, man, it was like at least 2 kilometers of walk. I'm happy because हमारा cardio तो हो गया. But yeah, if you guys want to go with a bike, you can actually go. You can go almost like 200 meters to the beach. We walked for 2 kilometers. You don't need to do that. And yeah, clouds are building up, so I think it's gonna rain a little bit. Drizzle is fine, but where is Charan yaar? Feeling very thirsty. Bottle तो खत्म हो गया और एक लाना था actually. I switched off the traction control. I'm having little bit fun saddling करके. Only issue is I worked out my legs yesterday and they are paining. I don't understand. Whenever I work out my legs, I'll have to saddle the next day on the bike. I'll find roads where I have to saddle definitely. Oh, मज़ा आ रहा है यार, seriously. Oh. ఏం లాంగ్వేజ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారా? ఇండియో ప్రో. అరే మజా ఆ రా, సీరియస్లీ. Charan, slow down. Charan, come dude. Okay, Shriman, yours is not an XC, eh? It's not, your bike is not a pro level off-roader, it's a road variant. Be careful. Alloy wheels है, देख के चलाओ थोड़ा. No splash. Thing is, we don't have riding gear, so we are not really confident. Left or right? Oh, left कुछ नहीं, sorry. Oh, big one. It's क्या? Oh. Okay, we are already out. While going, it took so much of time, but now, see you at the hotel. Okay, finally back to the room. Time is around 4:20. First thing I have to do is order some chai. We'll talk about the place and all that later. Hello. Why is this not working? अभी रिंग हो रहा. 2 चाय, right?
2 चाय strong वाला.
Hi, I'm calling from 238. We need 2 chai. 2 tea, regular, no masala. And can you make it a little bit strong?
Last time.
Yeah, because we really enjoyed the experience here, everything except the chai. Yeah, thank you. Charan, aren't you hungry? Poor Charan did not eat anything.
Puliogre didn't work out.
Yeah, he got that ready to eat, but he put hot water in it. It didn't become puliora. It was like grainy. We asked them to clean the room, and now it's again neat and tidy. Everything put properly. And look at my laptop. He put a towel under it nicely.
Come in.
Now it looks like proper Taj ka room. Okay, Charan, what is the experience? Should we suggest people to go to Butterfly Beach? Is it worth going that far?
For first time, yeah, but
See,
don't have too much of crazy expectations. That's what I would say.
That is one thing, and if you're staying in South Goa, maybe it makes more sense.
From North also, it's fine. It's fine for one visit, but don't have like, oh, it's going to be like that Leonardo DiCaprio movie kind beach, a hidden beach.
Anyways, don't expect that kind of a beach. It is nice, secluded completely. You'll have a different experience. I mean, if you're going for the first time, do it. I would suggest that. No more exploration of Goa. I think today is the last day here. Tomorrow we're gonna head out to Hyderabad. Only if Charan wants to extend. I'm not sure. Charan, are we going out or are you extending? I think we'll be going out mostly tomorrow. Charan, I was just thinking how I changed. I'm eating a fruit. I'm eating apple. Previously, when I was hungry, I would go and munch some nice chocolates. Pura transformed Shriman. Eating apples, bananas, oats, protein. peanut butter and all that. And I just took a shower and I'm wearing the same clothes because what to do? We did not get too many clothes. We thought it's only for 3 nights stay. No, 2 nights, 3 days stay. But Amana Charan wanted to stay for more. He extended it. Tomorrow we're going to stay back in Goa. I just said, you extended the stay for 1 more day.
Yeah.
And I don't have clothes. So I'm wearing the same clothes even after taking a bath.
Extra.
I got one extra, but that is for riding. It's a dry fit one.
What?
Yeah, Charan, why did you extend? Tell me.
Okay, why you ఏంటి నీకు అనిపించలేదా?
See, for me, I'll tell you genuinely. I am okay extending for 1 more day because, you know, once we go back home, again the same grind, back to home and same thing, gym, editing, vlogging, all the same. Actually, we're doing the same thing here as well. But you know,
That's why I want, that is one reason I want to actually for 1 day completely shut everything. Enjoy Goa.
today is a
Properly
good
went
day
out.
actually,
Today we
yes.
properly
I really
went out.
like today.
Yeah.
Because almost 2.5 hours of a ride one side,
Today we left at
almost 5 hours of a ride up and down.
10:30 or something, and then came back at 4:35. So most of the day we were out. That was good.
Yeah.
But evening when I sat out, I just felt like, Arey, Goa.
Arey,
already
Abhi, like
over.
after coming home, after coming back to the hotel,
I packed the bags.
he packed the bags. I said, are we going tomorrow? He was like, Pakka, we'll leave tomorrow.
Breakfast was done for tomorrow, fixed. They
Yeah,
packed the breakfast.
early morning breakfast for the ride. We did all that, and I started editing because tomorrow I'm planning to upload a video. And then this guy goes sits outside there, and then suddenly he comes in and he says, "How about we stay for 1 more day?" I was like, "Bill kitna hota? Pehle wo pucho." Then he checked it, and they once again they're giving it for the same price. How lucky are we?
2 days extended like that.
2 days extended for the same price. That's like amazing. We're getting this at 50% off. So I think we'll not get this deal once again ever in my life.
అందుకే extend
That is the reason we're extending.
Let's call our friends now. Come.
They'll not get this deal.
We'll extend that. यही रूम है. अरे बయట మంచం వేయండి.
This room is huge. Actually, this room is so huge. You
One
can
person
sleep.
there,
2-3 people can sleep
here,
here.
2 people outside.
Yeah.
Mosquito coil लगा के.
Anyway, Sharan, please don't extend anymore. I don't have more money.
అబ్బా.
I have big plans going on. I have very big plans going on.
అయి చెప్పు అప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాం డబ్బులు ఏమంటే.
Wait for it. I need to gift myself something, dude. I'm working hard from the last 2-3 years. Abhi tak I didn't gift myself anything properly.
రే వద్దు, నువ్వు లాస్ట్ 2 years లో కెమెరా కొన్నావు, ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ కొన్నావు.
This is not a gift. This is work production equipment. Yeah, actually production equipment. My iPhone, my camera, my laptop. Obviously, what do I do with it? I work. But Sharan, make a plan for tomorrow properly. At least 3-4
You
hours
search a
will go out
place.
and come back. You are good at that. That's why I
Today
give
I
you that.
told Butterfly please అయిపోయింది.
Itinerary planning and all.
ये
Group
सब
में.
मेरे को दे दो रे.
No, group में he's the best for that. I'll give it to him. Itinerary planning, MBA na. Okay, time is on 8:40 p.m. in the night and we're planning to go to dinner. And most importantly, one of my subscribers is here. We're actually tired and very hungry, but then I thought I'll meet this guy because he's literally coming from Vasco, which is literally 1 hour away from here. Hats off to your love, yeah.
Hi.
Abhijit,
Hello.
how are you doing?
Namaste.
So that is Abhijit. This is Aditya, his son.
Hi.
I didn't get your name, sorry. Madhavi. These 3 people came literally from Vasco.
Yes.
From Vasco, that's almost 1 hour away from here. Just to meet me. And they
Not
were,
just to meet him, it's a big thing that we're come to meet
and
him.
he's following me just from 1 month. And this kind of love, yeah, that's like amazing. I feel so blessed.